Welcome, friends. Today in this video, best want to boost your local business's online presence. Google Maps isn't just for directions, it's a powerful tool for local SEO, driving foot traffic and online visibility. When someone searches for a service near them, businesses listed on Google Maps appear right at the top. That's prime digital real estate. To optimize your business for Google Maps, start by claiming and verifying your Google My Business listing. Fill out every detail, address, phone number, business hours, and add high-quality photos. Accurate info helps Google trust your listing. Next, gather reviews by encouraging happy customers to leave positive feedback, boosting your credibility and ranking. Lastly, use relevant local keywords in your business description and posts to make it easier for locals to find you. With these tips, your business can dominate local search results and attract more customers. Get on Google Maps today and watch your local SEO soar.